What happens if I am more aggressive with when I choose to increase or decrease my position size? How does that affect my overall performance? How does it affect my drawdown? You know, all of those types of things go into money management, and we use a very, very specific style of money management that I'm going to teach you, and you're all going to get the spreadsheet, and then it's just as simple as entering in your data and going through and making the adjustments.
Yeah, just formulating the plan from that.
Now, in the just below at the bottom in the right-hand corner, it says closing soon. Click here to join the transformation. The countdown clock there, you've only got about 2.5 hours left to get the bonus, the DSR levels, the support and resistance DSR levels that we talked about. And so if you guys have not had a chance to sign up yet, if you're waiting for some reason, if you hate money, that's fine, but you only have about 2.5 hours left to do that.
And about the DSR levels, it's funny, when we first got introduced to them, it was at one of our mastermind events. And in the mastermind are you know, these are traders that are already successful, and they're looking, hey, how can I take the next step? And we were doing a live trading workshop. It was a few-day workshop, and we were like, hey guys, you know, here's this cool new indicator, check it out. Really having no idea it would be used for this, and those guys ate it up. You know, we've got these, you know, experienced traders that are, you know, they can identify structure, no problem. They don't need it, but they're in there throwing these DSR levels on and say, man, this makes it so much easier, so much amazing. And
that was at our first live trading event. We had a week of live trading that we did. We had all of our mastermind group guys there, and several other folks who had flown in from Canada and Australia, and New Zealand. It was awesome. And we showed them this. We were just like, hey, yeah, we got this indicator that we put together, and we kind of spitballing some ideas on this, and it was just amazing. These guys are like, oh, you won't believe, oh, look at what I'm doing with this. It was like after like the second or third day that these guys had to play with the DSR levels, even our mastermind guys were just in awe. They couldn't believe that, how easy it was to start building rules around these structure, support, and resistance levels.
Yeah, it was great. I think they liked it so much because it put you yet another step ahead of the market. You got a big red or green box there saying, if we go down to our next structure level, this is the zone. And it saves time from, all right, hourly chart, 15 minute, 4-hour chart, 15 minute, and they tore it apart.
Jason AQ, can you tell us what you base the success percentage on? It's the way we talk about 70%, 80% profitable. That is, it's not as complex as it sounds. It means how many times did we take a trade and it produced a positive outcome? Since virtually all of them have at least a 1-to-1 risk-reward profile, we look at how many, we take profits off at target 1. That locks in profits for us. So if target 1 is attained, that's a profitable trade. We do not count. How do we count scratch trades? Are they counted as winners?
I know, I just don't count them.
You just don't count them?
They're not winners, not losers.
Typically, scratch trades are counted as winners because you didn't lose money. And so, yeah, if you didn't lose money, then that's a winning trade. And most pro traders look at it that way.
Yeah, I should start doing that. I've been counting. I use a little different target strategy in my live room.
Probably increase your win percentage a little bit, make it look better.
That's what I told the traders. You know, I share my stats to the traders in the room. I have no problem with that. I'm looking at my advanced patterns, and on the 5-minute charts, the win percentage is a lot lower because I've been shooting for the 618 retracement for target 1, and that just came through back testing. I did a lot of back testing on the lower time frames and saw that, hey, it was, for the way I trade, it was more profitable for me to shoot for that higher mark. But what it does is decreases that win percentage. But what I've been doing is once it hits the 382, I've been moving stops to break even, so just to make sure I don't want to take a loss. That's the most important thing.
Yeah.
So if I'm counting, maybe I should start counting that. Make myself feel a little better.
Make it feel a little bit better. But no, typically that's typically any professional trader looks at a break-even trade as a win. Guys, what will be the commitment after the 12 months or 12 weeks are finished? Not all will be able to be successful after just 12 weeks, and some will need more assistance. Yeah, and guys, if you guys need more help, that's why we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And there's no commitment. The only commitment that you make is a commitment you make to yourself. If you're committing to get involved in this program, we're saying, look, we're going to run this thing for 3 months, and we're going to give you access for 3 months, because that's what we believe it takes.